pilot study to check the feasibility of open book exams for classes 9 to 12. The pilot will be held in select schools in November-December for subjects like English, Mathematics and Science for classes 9 and 10 and English, Mathematics and Biology for classes 11 and 12. Here's how it will work. The Cbse has proposed this form of assessment based on the National Curriculum Framework released last year. But what is an open book exam? Open book exams allow students to refer to their books and notes to answer questions. Open book examinations can be either of a restricted type or a free type. In a restricted open book assessment, only the study material approved by the exam conducting authority is allowed during the exam. And in a free type, students can bring any material they find relevant. Is this new in India? Contrary to popular assumption, open book exams are not a new idea. In 2014, Cbse had introduced an open text-based assessment to relieve the students from the burden of marking up. Back then, OTBA was introduced in classes 9 for Hindi, English, Mathematics, Science and Social Science, and final examination of class 11 in subjects such as Economics, Biology and Geography. The board, however, discontinued the practice in the 2017-18 academic year. So why introduce it now? The Cbse's proposal falls in line with the larger reforms planned in the school education system. While there is no mention of the open book examination per se in the National Education Policy 2020, one of the primary reforms it suggests is transition from rote memorization to competency-based learning. For instance, a student should be able to not just learn the concept of photosynthesis, but also demonstrate the process and the impact of sunlight on plants through a practical project. So, is open book examination easier? Open book assessments are not easier than the traditional form of examination. They are designed to test learning beyond facts and definitions. Likewise, many studies show that open book exams have the benefit of being less stressful. For instance, a 2021 study conducted among medical students of AIIMS Bhubaneswar, open book exams have the benefit of being less stressful.